Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you and your family are fine. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how I make this Nigeria street snack, which is buns. All Nigerians love this recipe. So if you are interested, give this video a thumbs up and stick around and watch the video. Now let's get started. So guys, these are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using for this recipe, and I'm also going to list everything that I'm going to use for this recipe. I'm going to leave it in the description box below. Please check it out if you want to make this recipe. So now I'm going to be adding all the dry ingredients into my flour. I'll add sugar, baking powder, salt. Then I'll mix everything together properly. So now I'm going to add eggs, melted butter, vanilla, and milk. I'm going to be adding the milk bit by bit. I'm just going to start mixing it together. You need to add your milk bit by bit for just one simple reason, because if you pour all the milk at a time, your dough will be too soft. So you just need to be adding the milk bit by bit until you get to your desired consistency. Okay? So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel and remember to hit that notification bell and setting it in all. In that way, you will never miss any of my new videos that I'm going to be uploading in this channel. You know, in this channel we have a lot of delicious recipes. So please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you, and God will bless you. So guys, this is the kind of consistency you need to achieve. If you achieve this consistency, your buns will come out good and soft. I'm going to be using my ice cream scoop and frying oil. So guys, I've heated my oil for about 8 minutes. So before I started putting the buns in my oil, I lower the heat. I bring it to a medium heat, because if your oil is too hot, your buns will cook outside but inside will not be cooked. So you just have to regulate the fire. If you see that the fire is going down, you high it a little bit. If you see that it's too hot, you lower it, just to regulate it. In that way, your buns will cook outside and inside, and the outside will be very crunchy. So, and also I'm using the frying oil. If you want to buy your oil maybe at the supermarket, you see the right for fry. If you use that oil, your buns will be more crunchy. If you use the one for cooking, it's good as well, but if you want your buns to be more crunchy, so you can use the one for frying. So guys, our buns are ready, so crunchy. I'm just going to repeat the process again, so you can make this at home with your kids to keep yourself busy, especially now that we are stuck at home. You can do this. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and you can share to your friends, to your family. Do it yourself at home. So it's so easy to make, it's not difficult. And at this point, I'm going to leave you guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. So remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and put it in all. In that way, you never miss my next video that is coming again, because I'm coming with another delicious recipe. I love you all, guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao.